In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Microsoft Outlook. We'll use Zapier, a simple automation tool that connects your apps so they can work together in the background. By the end, you'll have a smooth bridge between Notion and Outlook, and you'll know exactly how to get it set up and tested. First, open your browser and go to Zapier.com. On the homepage, click Login and sign into your existing Zapier account. Logging in ensures your connections are saved and lets you access the editor where you'll build the workflow. Once you're in, look for the Create button at the top and click it. From the options that appear, choose Zap. This opens the Zap editor, which is where you'll set up the connection. In the search or title field, type Notion to Outlook. Zapier will generate the integration and may suggest a pre-built workflow that uses Notion as the source and Outlook as the destination. Think of this as an automation that starts with a change in Notion and ends with an action in Outlook. For example, creating a page in a specific database could trigger an Outlook event, or updating a task could send an email. You don't need to overthink the configuration at this point. Zapier will guide you through what it needs. After the integration is generated, Zapier will prompt you to connect your accounts. Start by logging into your Notion account. A secure permissions window will appear, asking you to allow Zapier to access specific Notion workspaces and pages. Enable the necessary permissions so Zapier can read from and, if needed, write to the areas you plan to use. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the correct one so your data comes from the right place. Next, log into your Microsoft Outlook account. This uses your Microsoft credentials and may prompt you to confirm that Zapier can access your mail or calendar depending on the action you're setting up. Approve those permissions so Zapier can complete the connection. These permissions are limited to the scope you allow and can be changed later in your account settings if needed. With both accounts connected, it's time to test the integration. Use Zapier's built-in test feature to pull in a recent item from Notion and send it to Outlook. Watch for a confirmation that the test data was successfully received. If the test doesn't go through, double-check that you granted the requested permissions and that the correct Notion workspace and Outlook account are connected. When the test succeeds, you'll know the integration is working as intended. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.